Ranked number 14 as the best destination of choice by the world's largest travel site TripAdvisor. Record numbers in tourist arrivals. Local and global brands opening resorts. The Ministry of Tourism soared to higher heights during 2019. Approximately 4 million persons vacationed on the island during 2019. Those who came by air accounted for approximately 2.6 million. Air services was bolstered through several arrangements and continued contracts with airline carriers out of South America, the United States of America, Europe, and Asia. Cruise shipping brought in about 1.2 million passengers, re-energizing the country's ports of Falmouth Trelawney, Montego Bay St. James, and Ocheria St. Anne. In line with an increase in tourist arrivals, a spike in the earnings. The island earned close to $4 billion through tourism in the year. Jamaica continued to be a top destination for tourism investment in 2019. The hotel sector grew as several local and international brands opened a wide range of offerings in the accommodation sector.
And we are creating a tourism in Jamaica that is inclusive and that involves the integration of community.
A few contracts were also finalized during the year for other large and small hotels that will open shortly.
Trelawney, in the next 3 years, will have the second largest inventory of tourism rooms in Jamaica because the expansion of Royalton is on track. Another 1,200 rooms, 6 on each side. The expansion of Oyster Bay is on track. Another 500 rooms. Then there is Amatera next door, which will start with 1,200 rooms. And then there is harmonization to come with another 2,000 or so rooms.
From training to product development, the ministry was engaged in a number of activities to spruce up the tourism sector. In the mix of infrastructure development programs, by mid-year, the Tourism Workers' Pension Bill was passed in Parliament and gazetted.
The plan will cover all workers aged 18 to 59 years in the tourism sector. This plan, Mr. Speaker, embraces everyone in the sector, whether he or she be red cap, front desk manager, craft trader, housekeeper, raftsman, or any other category of worker in the industry, including, as I said, those who are self-employed.
Jamaica cemented its role as a thought leader in the area of tourism resilience and crisis management during the year 2019. The second Tourism Resilience Summit of the Americas, Building Tourism Resilience, was convened. Technical and financial support were also provided to countries ravaged by disasters. The tourism minister and a team from the ministry also journeyed to Japan for a technical working visit to gain first-hand knowledge on disaster management.
We as a little country is presenting to the world a real opportunity to look at how to manage disruptions and to build capacity to enable thriving after mega disasters.
Because the visitor comes to consume our cultural products. And if we have them in great numbers, with great diversity and high quality, then for sure we will get the consumption we require and the dollar stays in Jamaica.
Through activities such as the annual Christmas in July, farmers market, and craft fairs, the tourism ministry pushed to ensure other sectors were directly benefiting from the industry. Tourism continued to achieve growth in various areas during the last year. The staff, led by Minister Bartlett, is determined to realize its 5x5x5 strategy of 5 million visitors, $5 billion in earnings by the year 2021.